Hello and welcome to this excitement segment. In today's episode, I will teach you how to create this beautiful logo here in just a few simple steps. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to show you the right way and the easy steps on how we can actually come out with this beautiful sample logo that you are seeing here. Okay, so first I'll just delete this rough one, which is not the right way. Okay, so I'll just drag it to the top. Then what I'll do here is I'll just come to this polygon tool here, then I'll just click. So you should actually get these polygon sides here with the 6-sided one. Then here, go in for our rectangle tool. Then from here, I'll just click, make sure that everything align in the center. Okay, so here let's go in for our shape builder tool, shape tool. All right, just click here and just drag it to the end. All right, then after doing that, what we need to do here, let's duplicate this one more time, but we just want this one actually should be in the middle here. So this is what we do. I'll just bring my guidelines just to set in the middle. Then I'll click, I'll drag, flash it to the line. Then I know that it's in the middle. Okay, if you don't get it well aligned in the middle, trust me, what we are just going to get, you will not get the effect here. So first, what we need to do, select both, go to object, come all the way to shaping, and just click on trim. All right, okay, so now let's do away with this one. Now with this, the color that we have here is this two. Okay, so what we need to do here is first come to your tool here, pick this interactive tool. Let's drag it from top to down. All right, so the top here, I'll just give it this color. So I have it here. I could have it here. You can actually use any color of your choice. All right, so I'll just go in with this. So with the white one here, I'll just double click on this line to activate more column. Then I can just click here and drag it to the white section, which is okay. All right, so I'll just drag it up a little bit, and that's it for now. Now with this one, click one more on it and drag this one here to the center of this particular one here. Okay, then what we need to do, just click here and drag it down. So whilst you are dragging it down, you see the rotation. Okay, so you right click to duplicate. All right, now when you are done doing that, just click on this, and we'll trim it again. So we'll go to object, we go to shaping, then we just click on trim. All right, so it means that we don't need this one anymore, so let's delete it. So this is actually how it's going to be. Now for us to get this kind of effects here and stuff, click on it and click again, drag this one here to the center of this particular one, then click here, then you drag it down. So make sure that it flashes, okay, like this. Then you right click to duplicate. I'll just click here also again, just make sure that it flashes. Right click to duplicate. I'll do same here also. All right, so right to duplicate. I'll do same here also. So I'll right to duplicate. Then with this one, which is the very last one here also, I'll do same here and right to duplicate. And here we are, guys. See, very easy. Now what we need to do here, let's just select all of them. All right, let's select all of them, let's group it, and let's drag it aside so we can actually delete this particular one here, as we don't need it anymore. So delete it, select the whole thing, and let's remove the outline by right clicking. So automatically we have actually achieved this particular design here. So you see, this is the correct way on how you could actually achieve this beautiful logo that you are seeing there. So if you want to become a graphic designer but you don't know where to start, don't worry. Below this video there is a link. Click it and register to our complete graphic design course. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.